Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I think you are all fine. In the previous video, I had explained about graphical user interface. In this video, I will explain about command line interface. So let's start it. As in previous video, I have told that Pareto has two interface. First one is graphical user interface, second one is command line interface. Before move to the command line interface, let's have a discussion about what is command and how it works. What is command? Command is an instruction given by a user telling a computer to do something. That means what? Command is simply an instruction which run a single program or a group of linked program. For an example, to see the date and time, we use date command. After that, we will see how command works. Commands are generally typed at the command line and then pressing the enter key. The commands are passed to the cell. After that, cell executes the command. For an example, in Paretos, we type a command in my terminal. After that, the command goes to the cell and the cell executes the command. At last, we get the output in the screen. Now you will ask what is command line and what is cell. So I will explain this in the next slide. What is command line? Command line is the space in which user enters the commands and data. For an example, in Paretos we type command in the terminal and get the output. Here terminal acts as command line. Command line is used for communication between a user and a computer that is based on text input and text output. What is cell? Cell is a layer of programming that understands and executes the commands that user writes. That means it executes the commands which is written by the user. Cell is also known as command interpreter. In Pareto, usually cell ends with a dollar sign for ordinary users and a pound sign for root user. So what is root user? If you are thinking about root user, then I am going to clear it. Root user is a user which have administrative access. That means it can access everything in the operating system. There are many open source cells available in Linux operating system like Bash shell and etc. After this discussion, we will know what is CLI. CLI stands for Command Line Interface. It is human computer interaction in which we communicate with computer using keyboard. That means we use keyboard to communicate with computer. But in graphical user interface, we use mouse to communicate with computer. Generally, output is shown as character. That means the output is shown in text format. For an example, we will move to the documents folder using command line interface. So I am opening my Pareto now. Just click on this option and then type ls. Then type cd documents. Don't worry about the commands. I will explain it in later videos. After that, hit enter. Then once again type ls. As you can see, a cyberholic document is present. To confirm that will go to the home folder, then go to the documents. As you can see, a cyberholic document is available. The way in which we went to the documents folder using terminal is a part of command line interface. So we'll see some advantages. Faster than other interface, need less RAM, does not need more CPU processing time, a low resolution and cheaper monitor can be used. After that, we will see some disadvantage. Have to learn complicated commands. We have to learn some commands like cd, ls, etc. and many more commands. Commands are case sensitive. That means we have to write the commands in a perfect way. Does not based upon graphical representation. That means as you can see the output is shown in text format. only characters are shown in output. That means the text is shown in output. That is all for this video. In the next video, we will explore terminal and we will run some commands in terminal. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.